Mirrors are fascinating. We use them every day, yet have you ever noticed something strange? Hold up a book in front of a mirror. The words appear flipped sideways, but not upside down. Why does a mirror seem to reverse left and right, but not top and bottom? And is the mirror really flipping anything at all? Let's break it down to answer all these questions. Let's do a simple experiment. Imagine you have a transparent sheet with the word bed written on it. If it's held in front of you, you see the letters clearly. Now, place a mirror behind the sheet. Since the sheet is transparent, the mirror will reflect backside of the letters. What do you see? The letters still spell bed, exactly as they should. That's because the mirror reflects the backside of the letters, but since the letters themselves are symmetrical in depth, they still appear the same. Mirror just reflects what it sees. No flipping seems to happen at all. Only difference is you see the front view and mirror sees the back view. The light rays from top of the letters falls on top of the mirror. Same happens for the bottom. But here's where things get interesting. Now, let's rotate the sheet so that front of the letters face the mirror. What happened after the rotation? The letter B, which was on the left, moved to the right. The letter D, which was on the right, moved to the left. Now, from your point of view, the letters are flipped horizontally. The mirror also sees the same and reflects it back to us. So, did the mirror flip the image? No. V flipped it by turning the sheet around. The mirror simply reflected what was in front of it. The top and bottom of each letter remains unchanged even after rotating. That's why there's no vertical flipping happening. Now, replace the transparent sheet with a normal paper. You see the letters only from the reflection in the mirror, and our brain gives a perception that the mirror has flipped it horizontally. So, the mystery is solved. Mirrors don't flip images horizontally or vertically. They just reflect exactly what's in front of them. It's only our movement and our perception that creates the illusion of a horizontal flip. Next time you look in a mirror, remember, it's not flipping you, it's just showing you exactly what it sees. If you found this interesting, hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-bending explanations. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.